Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Trust you're doing well, you're happy, you're smiling. Awesome, man. So my name is Leroy Slava from Property Pick, and welcome to Get Property Wise. Let me just move this up here. Let me see who's online. Let me just check on my phone, guys. Okay, I see we got one person there. Let me see on my phone. All right. Okay, I'm just live from my laptop now. So let me go in and see if I'm live. Okay, I see myself on my phone. Let's see who we have on here. Let's give it a few minutes. Okay, we haven't done this for a while. There we go. Phone is on. Right. Okay, so awesome stuff, ladies and gentlemen. So I think firstly, let's start with Happy New Year. And we trust this is going to be a good year. It's going to be a better year than 2020. Okay, I think 2020 caught us off guard, but 2021, I think now we could be more prepared with what's happening with lockdowns and the pandemic. Yeah, so I think that's it. So let me just wait for a few more people to log on. Say hello. Say hello. Let me see. Say hi. So I think our last video. Oh, let me just put that off. Okay. Our last Get Property Wise, I think, was the second week in December. So, guys, I trust you've all had a good break. You've all had, you've all rested. You're well rested. You've worked on your goals and your plans for 2021. Okay. Let me see who we have online, guys. Say hello. Say hi. Okay. So I think let me just get into Get Property Wise. So what Property Pick is, for those of you that don't know, Property Pick is an online, sorry for that. Property Pick is an online property portal that connects investors to investment properties. Okay, so that's what Property Pick does. It connects investors to investment properties. Right? So you can go onto the platform. We've just loaded about 50 new deals on there. Go subscribe, check out the platform. What we do have on there, we've got legal templates, right, which we've checked with an attorney for private deals. We've also got spreadsheets to help you analyze deals, help you analyze your portfolio. We've got budget spreadsheets. We also have a vetted power team that we work with. So Property Pick is your one-stop property shop for investors. So check out the website, and we've got new deals on there. So that's what Property Pick is. And Get Property Wise is where we just come on weekly. We share information. That's what's happening in property, what's happening in the property market. We do interviews. For example, next week we'll have an interview with Uba, which is the biggest bond originator in South Africa. So that'll be good, right? And we just answer some property related questions. So if you have any questions, guys, then type them in the comment section that we can answer them, right? So yeah, Candace couldn't make it today, but I think let's get straight into it. So basically today we just wanted to say hi. We wanted to let you know what's happening with Property Pick. We've got new partnerships, which I cannot talk about because we're having the final meeting at 4:30, just to confirm where we might have education, property education coming to the platform, which you guys can come on and get education on our platform, and some good partnerships on networking as well. So we're finalizing that relationship at 4:30 today. So I'm not going to tell you who it is. I'll tell you more about it next year. So we've been working hard on getting new deals on there, working on relationships to make the experience better for our investors. And we've got quite a few new investors that came onto the platform, guys. So I would say get on there and subscribe. But yeah, that's good. So I think it's going to be a very interesting year this year in property, hey? I think it's going to be a very interesting. I think we're going into times which we have never seen before, with last year, as I said, last year might have caught us by surprise with the pandemic, which and the lockdowns, which we've never experienced, the world never experienced, right? Which which was awkward because for a lot of people it was a difficult time. Um, Lockdown, businesses closing, jobs, people getting retrenched, being short paid, people getting sick, and some people losing family members, which is quite sad. Which was a very difficult time for some people, right? But then what we found on the property side is two things that we found. We found that because the interest rates came down, we found that first time buyers went up. Okay, the interest rates came down by a lot, so which means that a lot of people were coming in and first time buyers were going up, especially between the 1.5 and below market, right, which is the affordable market. So that's what we found there. What we also saw is that rentals, right, will obviously stayed the same. Some of the rentals went down, and a lot of people had challenges with tenants paying because some of them were retrenched, some of them were short paid, some of their businesses were closed, right? So that was some of the challenges on the rental side. And I believe that this year, right, we all say it's going to be a good year, but some of it we could see it's not going to be easy. Let's just say that it's not going to be easy this year. So I think the key for an investor this year is to upskill yourself, right? Um, Increase your knowledge, increase your skill set, and this could be by getting education. Which, as I said, we're finalizing a relationship today at 4:30. Which if everything goes according to plan, we'll reveal it to you next week. We'll have might be free education, it might be not, um, and where we'll have a big networking partner coming onto the platform, right? Which is exciting. Let's see who we have on. Brian Sangs, how are you? By Tsepi, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Timpiwe, how's it? Right, Victor, how are you guys? Brian, maybe type in the comments section. Give us a quick. What do you think is going to happen this year? We work with Brian as well. Brian gets us good deals. Brian, you still need to get us more deals, eh? Um, we got a lot of Cape Town people that come on that are looking for deals in Cape Town now. So Brian, we still need to chat. Um, so guys, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section what you think. What do you think is going to happen this year in the property market? Eh? And another thing, now as I said, the first one, guys, we're just gonna have a quick chat and let you know what's happening. And then next week we're getting Uber in to give us a full professional, to give us an update of their views of what's gonna happen this year on the market, on bonds coming through, what bonds are being approved, what bonds are not being approved. So make sure that you don't miss next week, same time, same place, right? So good stuff. Right. And I think another thing that's going to happen this year is because payment holidays are also coming to an end. They probably have already come, they've come to an end now. And I think that a lot of people that lost their jobs or got short paid or they want to downscale, those properties are going to come onto the market. Which, if you are an investor and you do have either access to finance or you've got some cash, then I think a massive opportunity is going to come up to pick these properties up um, at a decent price. All right, Brian, how are you? To pick them up at a decent price, and obviously depending on what strategy you want to get into, right, and whether you want to get into buy to lets, multi lets, student accommodation. Some people are a bit nervous. Some people believe it's a big opportunity. Um, right, retail and office space is a bit tricky now because a lot of people are working from home. We're on Zoom. We on these platforms. A lot of people have found that they don't actually. A lot of companies have found that they actually need the big office space that they have. So, and I've seen with the alerts coming through from the big platforms that a lot of offices are coming up for sale. Now, if you're creative and it's in an area where you can potentially buy those up, convert them to residential, or you can maybe buy an offer block, cut them up into smaller spaces and rent them out, there could be an opportunity there as well. Right? So, but let me know what your thoughts are, guys. What your thoughts are? Are any of you doing deals right now? Have anybody in from December to today in January, have any of you done a deal? Any of you busy with the deal now? Because I think in these, well, what are we now? We are on the 20th. So I think I've looked at about 4 deals now. I've put in an offer on one today, just before this, put in an offer on one. And I've got another one which the funder actually said, why don't you do that one? They referred that one to me to say, why don't you look at that one? It could be an opportunity. And these are all inner city buildings. So that's what I focus on. Anybody doing a deal on here? You guys are very quiet. Anybody got a question? To me, Jackie, you guys have any questions? Now, okay, you just want me to be talking alone, and that's good. So, on the Property Pick website, ladies and gentlemen, if you are in a place where you need to sell your property for whatever reason it is, right? Whatever reason, might be a financial reason, might be moving to another province, whatever the reason is, right? We've put on a free listing that you can list one property for free on our platform to our investors. Okay, but obviously you had to look at it either has to be slightly below market value or it has to be a potential investment opportunity for our investors, because our platform is strictly an investment platform. And if you're not sure if your property is an investment opportunity, maybe send us an email on info@propertypick.co.za. That's info@propertypick.co.za. Right, so you can load one property for free, and then if you check out, if you go to the website now and you go to subscriptions, you will see we have different packages for investors, and then we also have different packages for if you want to list your properties. Okay, but you can list one property for free. So everyone listening to this, if you have one property that you want to list or you know of someone, you can list it for free on our platform. So that's a very good opportunity there for you to list your property to free to investors. Okay, I see we don't have any. Let me see. Hello, Lil. There's a very good deal. Busy packaging. Simpiwe says there's a very good deal package, a 21 bedroom, which monthly income 25,000. I'm sourcing it out. Simpiwe, is that not the same property that I'm looking at? Where is this property, Simpiwe? Maybe we're looking at the same deals. Simpiwe, now for you that's sourcing this out, right? You can go to our platform, go to one free listing property and list that property on the platform and to investors and tell them that you are sourcing this property out. Are you with me? Simply, so go to the platform now, go put all the details, the income, the purchase price, the features, description of the property, the rental income, and then put that you're sourcing it out, but you're sourcing it for a certain amount, right? What your sourcing fee is, put that in as well. Then what will happen, CPW, is that when you list that property, the alert will go out to all our investors, and they'll be able to see that, okay, Simpiwe has this property, and they can contact you directly, and you could potentially source it out to one of our investors. Is that good, Simpiwe? But let me know where the property is, Simpiwe. Type in the comment section. Let me know where this property is. So we make sure we're not looking at this. So you make sure we're not looking at the same deal. No, but I doubt it. Okay, Simpiwe. All right, guys. But as I said, so we've got huge plans this year to bring you deals, to bring you good quality deals. Right. We also want to see if we can bring you some education to just upskill you. So when you're looking at these deals, you have the right skills, you have the right information, so you can make a well-informed decision. And what we also want to do is we've also got a support webinar once a month where we help our investors, we answer questions. Are you guys with me? And we are looking to partner with one of the big networking. Peter Maritzburg, Simpiwe. Okay, we are looking to partner with one of the big networking companies so we can bring you that as well. Okay, no, we're not looking at the same deals, but go list it on the platform, right? As I said, an alert will go out. So as soon as you list the property, an alert goes out to all our investors and they can see it. And if they are interested, some will, some might not be, and they can contact you directly. As I said, we are just a connector to connect an investor to investment opportunities. But also, some of the investment opportunities are maybe below market value properties as well, where if you are maybe to look at buying a house for yourself, and we do have a deal on there where you say, okay, no, this property I might want to live in it, but I can see it at a discount, is for you as well. Okay, Peter Maritzburg. Right, no. So that's good, yeah. But as I said, listed on there, we've got investors all around the country, so they'll be able to look at it as well. Okay, guys. So as I said, this is just to say to say hi for the new year. And as I said, next week we'll have Uber on, and we're excited about that. And then we'll be doing Candace and myself. We'll be doing the chats where we share information on the market. Sometimes we'll be out at live properties and coming in from live properties and analyzing them from there. So, and we want to make this not just theory, right? So we want to be out as deals, looking at deals, giving you the do's and the don'ts, especially with this year, especially with the world changing and so many things changing this year. So it'll be a good time to for you to get educated and for us to look at what's happening this year. Okay, awesome stuff. So if you do have deals, load them onto the platform. If you are looking for deals, go to the platform. If you're looking for a vetted power team, which are property professionals, which we've worked with over the years, go to the platform. If you want legal templates, spreadsheets, right, how to analyze deals to make your life easier, go to the platform, right? So this will be your number one property investment platform. So anything around property investing, come to the Property Pick. If you have questions, if you're not sure about something, then info@propertypick.co.za. Send us an email and we'll be able to assist you with that. Okay, good stuff. Any questions, ladies and gentlemen? Any questions? So as I said, next week we've got Uber. What we are also we're working on we're getting another interview. It might be Henry coming in the next maybe 2 weeks to talk about how to analyze, how to know if you're paying the right price for a building or property, and for land that you want to develop. So he'll come in and give you a good understanding to say, if you are looking at a building, what's a quick calculation to analyze it to see if it will work or not. And if you're looking at buying land to develop, what's a quick way to see what's the correct land price to pay? Because you don't want to pay too much, especially in this market, guys. You want to make sure you do not overpay. Right? So okay, it seems you guys don't have any questions. So I think so guys, happy new year. Let's work together this year to make it a successful year. Right? So as I said, next week we'll tell you what's doing. We'll bring on Uber. They'll give you a good overview of the market, what's happening in the market, and what's happening with bond registrations, what type of properties are being bought, and who is buying them, where are they being bought, and why are they being bought. So that'll be good. So I think all the best. If you don't have further questions, God bless you. Log in every week this time at 1 p.m. on a Wednesday for Wednesday chats. And then we've also got the daily tips. We give you daily tips on properties. We give you daily tips how to invest, power team, everything about property. So check out our daily tips on Property Pick on Facebook, and go to our YouTube. Go subscribe to our YouTube channel. Right? That's Property Pick. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. So all good stuff. It's going to be an exciting year. We're excited about it. Start planning. Everyone says happy belated birthday. Thank you, man. What's today? The 20th. Yeah, it was 2 days ago, eh? So 36, guys. 36. Young and sexy still. So thanks. Thanks, Ifron. Ifron, am I pronouncing it right? Ifron. So thanks there, eh? So as I said, guys, like, share this video. It's going to be an exciting year. So if you don't have any more questions, then God bless you. I'm not going to keep you too long today. I said we're coming with a lot of information in the next couple of weeks, which will be a bit longer. So all the best. God bless, and have a good day. See you next week. Right? I'm gonna put the website in the comment section, and what I'll do is I'll put the email address as well, so you can contact us if you have any questions. If you need any help with anything, contact us. We are here to help you. All right. Thanks, Bye.